Trump tariffs leave importers with record-breaking 3.5 billion U.S. custom bond funding shortfall. That means that the new taxes that were levied are still backing up suppliers, and it directly affects manufacturing when you can't actually get any raw material to manufacture with. Those are all sizes I use. $34, $38, all the way up. All the way down. I thought I saw one that was not out of stock. This is my supplier. Has nothing. These are all the Europeans. Out of stock. All the color I use. I don't use 9mm. Nobody does. 25, 28, all gone. 32, 38, all gone. I don't even use that big. All that shit's gone. I have more color and clear than my supplier at this point. Scary. They couldn't get anything. They had to shut down. Another one permanently closed. I just found some. Ta-da. Well, there's a couple options, but found one. And they do have 11 colors. Shit's gone up drastically. Thanks, tariffs. God. I used to get blue for like $9. Anyway, yeah, I'm just sitting around looking, figuring things out. It's cold today. Chilly, anyways. Not real cold, but y'all motherfuckers back east are cold. Anyway, it's wet. It's raining all day. I'm not gonna go blow today. Tomorrow I have people coming though, so we'll be there early. We'll do coffee. We might do sunset, but I'm doubting. It's probably gonna be raining. Anyway, there you go. Update on current glass situation, I might be able to get some. I need to work tomorrow. All right, much love, y'all.